Dividing in a given ratio. Pause the video and have a go at example 4. In example 4 we have James and George, and they share £24 in the ratio 3:5. How much do they each get? Well, you first of all want to think about how many parts there are in total. So total parts in the ratio is going to be 3 plus 5, which is 8. So the amount of money, the £24, is going to be divided into 8 parts. So then one part would be £3. So then James, he wants to get 3 parts, so that would be 3 threes, which is £9. And George, he gets 5 parts, so that's 5 threes, which is £15. You can check that your answer makes sense if these two numbers add up to the total amount that you were sharing.